Hello and welcome to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter and I am so glad you're here. So before we start, I want you to meet my friends. This is Pete and these are Leo and Tyler. They want to join in with our learning fun today. So we're going to start off with some songs. Do you like to sing? I like to sing. So let's sing together. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sad and you know it, start to cry. Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, start to cry. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're sad and you know it, start to cry. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray, hooray! Hooray for that! Did you all enjoy that song? I think they liked it. They want to sing another song. Let's sing one more song. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap. Again. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap. Again. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. What are we not letting in? It's our hands because they have germs on them. So we're not going to put them in our mouth. Okay? You did such a good job singing. Give yourself a hand and pat yourself on the shoulder. Good job. All right, for our next lesson, we're going to do a poem. Do you like to do poems? Poems are mini stories. So today's poem is Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty Dumpty back together again. He hurt his head. And why did Humpty Dumpty fall off the wall? Because he was an egg. Did you enjoy that poem? All right, so now we're going to go over our 5 senses. All right, Pete, Leo, and Tyler, are you going to do your 5 senses with us? Okay, now we're waiting on you. I can see with my eyes. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can taste with my tongue. And I can touch with my hands. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. Alla walla do do do. Oh yeah. I love you. Good job, because we all love you. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Now, if you can't snap your fingers, you can always clap your hands, or you can always clap your pinchers. There's all kinds of ways that we can say the days of the week. And after we do our days of the week, we're going to do our months of the year. So we're going to say them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yay! You did that so good. You did great. You too, Pete, and my friends. You did awesome as well. You just did awesome. Miss Porter is so proud of you. Now, after we do our months of the year, we're going to say our numbers. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, now, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that you said them in English, let's say them in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You did such a good job saying your numbers in Spanish. After we do our numbers in Spanish, we're going to do our lesson for today. Are you excited? So today's lesson, we're going to write the letter A. And I have an apple. Apples are so good for you. only if you can eat them. Apples are good for your teeth, and they are very good for brain function, and they also help with strengthening our muscles. So apples are very good for you. So we're going to write the first letter in the word apple. And that letter is the letter A. Now, I want you to ask someone older than you to give you a piece of paper, and you can use a crayon, or you can use a very big pencil, or if you have a little pencil, that's fine. But what I don't want you to do, and I'm saying this to Pete and Leo and Tyler, I don't want you to write on the walls. I want you to write on your paper so that when you're finished writing, you can give it to someone as a gift or just post it. And then we can always practice. Okay? All right. So I'm going to write on my whiteboard. And we're going to start. I'm going to write the letter A for you. So you start with a line, another line, and a bridge. See? Let's do another one. A line, another line, and a bridge. Now, this may seem like it's new to you, and it may seem a little hard, but it's not, because we're going to practice together. Let's erase this. And we're going to start off with some lines. And all I want you to do is just try. That's all Pete and Leo and Tyler want you to do. We just want you to try. Okay? So let's try. All right, so we're going to first write just some lines. Now you can make some short lines. These are short lines, like that. Or you can write some medium-sized lines, like that. Or you can write some long lines, like that. Ooh, those are long lines. And you can go up, you start at the top and come down. That's all we're doing. We're just going up and down, okay? Let's do it again. Up, down. That's my medium line, and then this is my short line. We're going to go up, down. And then this is my long line. Up, all the way down. So we're just going to practice with writing some lines. And then we're going to connect those lines to make the letter A, okay? And I am so proud of you. You're doing such a good job. Now, if you're on paper, you can either turn your paper over or just get a new one, okay? Now, let's start again. We're just going to write lines up, down. That's my short one. Up, down. It's my medium one. And then up, down. That's my long one. Now, you can make whichever size you want to make. So I'm just going to make some medium lines. And I start at the top of the paper, and then I stop at the bottom. And then I'm going to start again at the top and go all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to do top and then bottom. Wow, you're doing so good with those lines. And it doesn't matter if they're squiggly lines or if they're wiggly lines or if they're short lines, as long as you're trying. Right? Right, Pete? Yes. We just want you to try. And you're doing such a good job. Okay, let's make some more. At the top, come all the way down. The top, come all the way down and stop. Now, let's practice writing the letter A. Now, the first letter we're going to write. This is the mama A. So a line. You see that line? See, I made a slanted line. And I'm going to make another slanted line. And then I'm going to go straight across and make a bridge. Now, it may seem a little difficult at first, but if you keep trying, you'll get it. Okay? Because we're rooting for you because you are smart and you can do it. Okay? Let's do it again. This is the mama A. All right? Let's make another one. You're going to erase. We're going to start the top, stop. And then the other side at the top, stop. And then go straight across a bridge. Now that's the mama A. Now let's make a baby A. This is a baby A. Now baby A's are just circles. A circle. And then we're going to put a line right there. Up and down. That's a baby A. Let's make a larger baby A. So the baby A is a circle. And then we're going to put just a line on the side. That's a short line. Okay, let's make another baby A. Circle. And then on the side, there's a short line. Baby A. Very good. You're trying. And if you get upset, just stop, take a breath, and just go read a book, or let's just go play for a few minutes, and then we'll come back to it, okay? Because what Miss Porter does not want you to do is think that this is too hard for you to do, because you can do it, because you are smart. So I want you to practice that. Let's do it. Let's write again the mama A. So make a line down, start at the top, make another line, top, down, and then we're going to go across and make a bridge. Okay? Now for the baby A, we're going to come under and make a circle. And then we're going to make a line on the side. Short line. That's the baby A. Very good. And the more you practice, the better you will become. But always practice. That's the main important thing. We want you to practice. Well, I have had so much fun with you. I am so glad you came. I am so happy that you decided to come with my friends and I and have fun. Now make sure you practice making your A's. So now we're going to say goodbye to each other. Do you want to sing a goodbye song? I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you came. I'm so glad that you're here. I hope you have a very good day. Very good. Thank you for coming. I'm giving you a hug. And I want you to go and practice writing your A's. Because we have a lot more alphabet to write too. And a lot more fun to have. All right. Bye-bye now. Say goodbye, Pete. Leo and Tyler, say goodbye.